Hello, friends. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. So, as part of today's session, we are going to see in one of the sector as we always look for the diversification of the portfolio. So today we will be seeing on IT sector. Earlier we covered around chemicals, then the power sector, then the steel sector. You can refer my channel. We have uploaded videos around those sector. And all those three stocks are doing good. With say last 1 month we have nifty movement of close to 500 600 point, but still our stock price have been so stable and on an uptrend, which is a good news. So moving on to today's stock, it's Birla Soft. It's managed by CK Birla Group. It's again one of the famous business group, and then they are into this IT sector, and they support many verticals, BFSI, life science, healthcare, energy, and manufacturing. And manufacturing is contributes almost 45% of their revenue. And also the top 10 clients, they contribute 45 to 47%. So overall, in terms of revenue numbers, 80% comes from US and 10 to 11% from Europe, and the remaining is from the rest of the world. And then, in the recent credit ratings, this company has been rated as stable, which is again, encouraging sign for us to invest. So overall, this sector, if you see last 1 month, it's on a correction mode. Even big players like TCS, Infosys, HCL, many companies' stock price have come down. Probably they were all overvalued, and then it's now getting into the reality. Ideally the prices are getting corrected to match with the valuation, right? But still, few stocks are at the higher side. Probably we can expect some more correction on the sector. So moving on to the financials of Birlasoft, overall it looks good. So their EPS stands at earning per share stands at around 16, which is again an encouraging sign. And then book value around 92, and ROE is 17. It's on a double digit, which is again good sign for us to stay invested. And looking on the ratios, the valuations, as we always look for the valuation, P is at 15, price to book value is at 2, then dividend is again we get 2 to 3 rupees per share, which is again a good thing for us to invest. And overall, as I always say, I refer these data from the Money Control and also few other open source sites. So moving on to their holding pattern. So I just want to cover one point here. The holding pattern of the promoters holding have increased. So last month they came up with a share buyback program. So I think the share price was the buyback program was announced at almost 500 rupees per share. So that could be one of the reason the promoters holding getting picked up. And FIAs, as expected, the holdings have come down in this quarter. And this is again it's almost many stocks, all the stocks, that too in particular on IT, the FIAs have been selling. So that's not a surprise to us. So overall, this is the holding pattern of this stock. And that's again promoters maintained at around 40%. So moving on to the next slide, as we always have, this is the peer comparison. This is again very hard to compare with Birlasoft, because when we have players like TCS, Infosys, or big players, we have few more stocks as well. Like Tech Mahindra, Wipro, Happiest Minds, so many peers. But still, I limited to the stocks for the presentation. So overall, if you see, the Birlasoft has been the valuation is at almost at the affordable price where we can buy. So rest of the other stocks, as I said, possibly HCL, yes, it's a good entry, but last 2 weeks they have run up to from I think it was around 900 920, but now is at 1000. probably we should wait. But overall, in terms of ROE dividend, it's pretty good when compared to other peers as well. So we can invest at this right time, and it's at a 52-week low as well. So probably on a long-term view, we can have this invested and see to the benefits, and also with, as I always say, dividend has been pretty decent on this stock. So with this said, we are coming to the closure of the session. So thanks for watching. So as I always say, please subscribe to the channel so that you get the notifications as and when I upload the video. So thanks again for watching. Stay safe. Bye bye.